In this video, I'm going to show the last two features that are implemented. This comment on post and like or unlike a post. So this API can be called twice to unlike a post. It's not unlike, but actually just removing your like. And here you can see the implementation. I'm checking if the post likes already doesn't contain that user ID, then I'm appending it. Otherwise, I'm removing it, doing splice, and I'm preparing a notification which is based on, one of these two values, like notification, since it is a constant value, it will always be user ID like your post and post ID, and unlike will be this constant value, unlike your post. So those I'm setting here. Next, I'm checking this notification needs to be sent only if the like is done by another user. So you can like your own post, but you won't get notification for that. So in that case, I'm checking here if the post.user ID, the author of the post, is not the user ID who has liked, then I'm checking. Next is if the notification list of that friend does not already contain this notification. So suppose if someone liked your post, they unlike your post, they like it again, they unlike it again, they can populate, they can spam your notification, right? So to prevent that from happening, it is checking if this notification already exists, it is removing the existing one. Similarly for the dislike notification also, if the dislike notification already exists, it is removing that and then pushing it so that it goes to the top. So the latest notification will be whatever last action user did on your post, like or unlike. Same goes for the comment on post, but comment on post, it will be always a new comment when a user does it. So we are not doing that check if it already exists. So here also same thing, pushing first the comments that the user did, then checking if it's not the same user who did the comment, then sending a notification. And then from home.component.ts, I have implemented the calls to this. In case of comment, I'm clearing out the value after the comment is done. So from the actual field, it gets removed, and in the list of the comment, it gets updated. Same thing for like and unlike. It is basically very simple. Whatever coming from the response, I'm setting the value of the post that likes that one. So if I go back to the UI, we log in as some new user. So say test one. So this user does not exist. I'll create one new post. Okay, so this post got created. First, also self-liking. So this person doesn't have any notification, and if I like its own post or write some me comment, it will still not send any notification. Okay, now this is test one. Let me create a test two user. First, it needs to be friend to that person to access its post. So I will search. We'll go back to test one. See, it has a friend request. Accept it. Now its friend list is updated. Now it has a test to friend. I'll log out. Test two. Okay, now I'm able to see test one's post here. So if I like it, or so this I'm able to do. And now if I see, I did a like and comment both. So log out, go to test one. Here you can see I'm able to see the comment and like. If I hover, okay, notice one more thing. I changed the like button. After implementing click on the like button, it was creating problem with this hovering part. So I've made a separate small button, and on hovering on this one, it will show the like by pop-up. Okay, if I go to notification, directory notification, you have one friend request from this one, which we did not check earlier. Then test to like your post, comment it on a post. And notice this post contains the post ID, which might not be readable to a user. So, okay, looks like there might be a problem because, okay, let me fix this. So what I did was previous post ID used to be UUID. So it used to be like this one for a set of strings separated by hyphen. But the newer ones in this Angular version, it is even coming as 6 because I added a D and a time part in it. So if I click on this one, nothing will happen. But if you click on older comment or like on a post, it will be taking you to that post. So to do that, I need to implement one change. Let me try to do it live. So the notification will be the component. So from notification to go post, here I'm splitting by this and checking length 4. I think this one I can implement length 4 or what, length 4 or 6. So when we split by length, it should be either 4 or 6, then we consider it as a post ID. So this 4 will be backward compatible. Any post that we copied from the Node.js version of this app to this Angular one, they will also continue to work. And this is for the new one. Okay, so now if I go back to notification and click on this, it will take me to this post. It will keep this highlighted for some 2 seconds, and then that highlight will go. The other post, like your post, this one is also the same post. So we go to the same post here, clicking on it. Let me demonstrate this feature by going to some another existing user. So if I go as user 123, say this notification. So here you can see they will like your post this one. If I click on this you notice this is the older comments. This is just having 4 part in it for the post ID. So if I click on this one, it will take me to this post. It highlighted it. So any comment or liking post that starts with the word post, it checks for this index and then checks if the word next to it is a UUID or a hyphen that gets split into length of 4 or 6, then it tries to go to that element. So yeah, that's it for this video. I have committed all my changes. You can find it in the repo. Link will be in the description.